you just don't get it. What y'all doing? I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, oh, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah.
Alright, everyone, so let's open this box and see how the wig is inside. OMG! Look here. Look at all these goodies, you guys. Okay, let's take a look at our unit. Here is the hair. OMG. Okay, here's the wig on the inside. And it comes with 2 combs here. And a comb in the center and one in the nape area. And it does come with the drawstrings. And then it also comes with these elastic bands. And the fake scalp. This is really nice, the fake scalp method. This is my first time trying this out, and I'm super excited about this. And let's look at the hairline. Can you see that? The lace itself is nice. It blends in with my skin tone, and the hair is pre-plucked. Can you see that? It is super nice and cute. The hairline is nice. And the lace is bleached. Yes, it is. And of course not invisible, the fake scalp method. Alright everyone, here's the wig on. And this is the Royal Dream HD Lace Glueless Pre-plucked Full Lace Front Human Hair Wig. It's Brazilian and it's a loose curly and it's 180 density. And check out the hairline. The hairline is pre-plucked. And look at that, it looks very nice. And here we go with the part. The part goes all the way back. And look at that, that looks like my scalp. OMG. That looks really good. I'm liking this fake scalp method. Look at it, looks like it's my scalp. It looks really neat. Alright everyone, let's get started on our twist out. I will be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I will be using some water and conditioner. So we're just going to part the hair into sections. And look here you guys, it has baby hairs. Don't remember if I mentioned that. But there's baby hairs in this unit. So we're just going to section the hair, spritz it with some water and conditioner. Look at the curls already. I'm going to use my demming brush and comb through the hair. Look at these curls, they're so nice. Then we're just going to put some of the Shea Moisture Curling Smoothie on it. Comb it through and then twist up the hair. And I'll be doing this right through the unit.
And I'll lead you in the right direction, yeah. Just stay close to me, now protect you, babe. Cause I've been searching high and low for someone like you. Cause you can't just love anyone. And I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found you. I gotta keep you near, right here with me, yeah.
And here's the unit all twisted up. And this is the hair that I got through the combing through it. Just this little bit. And I'm going to let it set overnight and come back. And it's the next morning and here's the unit. It's all dry. And I did cut the lace and place it on my head. And I used the 2 straps. And I'll be putting some of this Garnier Futures Sleek and Shine. I'll just be putting a dab in my hand and putting it on all the twists. And I'll be just putting a little bit more on my hand and then taking each curl out.
On and on. And every little thing you say.
And now I'll just be using my pick and combing through the hair just to fluff it out. And I'll also be using my fingers and separating the twists. And now with our part, doesn't it look nice? Okay, at the front of the lace, you can see it's a little darker. So I'm just going to add some concealer right in there only. And it is an HD lace. It's so nice. It just lays down nicely on my scalp. And here it goes. I put the little concealer in there. And now it's all lined up. Doesn't that look like my scalp? I love this fake scalp method. It's really neat. And here is our finished look. I like how our twist out turned out. I think it looks really nice. And the hair is nice and soft and fluffy. And you can play with it more or pick it out more and it will become thicker and fluffier if you'd like. I like it just like this, so I didn't do any more. And here it is from the back. It's nice and the unit is full. It's 180 density.
What you're doing, you got my world, got it going crazy.
I think it looks really nice. I didn't get any more shedding when I was combing through the hair, which was good, just when it was wet and the curls were really more tangled together and I had to comb them out. And it wasn't very much shedding. And again, here is the HD lace with the fake scalp. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I didn't glue it down, you guys. I did not glue it down. I just used the straps that they gave us and put it down. It's sitting down just perfectly nice. As you can see, very nice. I love it. And this HD lace, OMG, I like it. It's like undetectable. I really like this. Okay, so now I have some more water and conditioner and I am going to spray down the hair and activate back the curls. So you guys who just want a regular curly girl look, you'll see how it is. And look at the curls, aren't they nice?
Just stay close to me, now protect you, babe, 'cause I've been searching high and low.
Okay, so as you can see here, this is the regular curls with just water and conditioner. And this is our twist out curls. So you see you can have two styles with this one wig and they look absolutely both beautiful both ways. Whether you like the twist out style or if you just like the regular curly girl style, they both look nice. Don't you think? I love the curls both ways. So I'm just going to add some more water to the whole unit and show you how it looks all curled out. And here is the unit all activated with the curls. The regular curls that the unit comes with. Doesn't it look nice? It's so full and nice.
I've been searching high and low.
I think it looks very nice. Yoowigs, fake scalp method. Lace frontal HD lace wig, 180 density. It looks very nice. One more time, you guys. I can't believe it. I absolutely love this fake scalp method. I didn't put no concealer, no nothing. Just a little bit at the front of the concealer. And look how nice it looks. And the lace is undetectable because of the HD lace. I absolutely love it. So you guys can go over and check out Yoowigs. I'm going to leave a link below for you guys to check them out and get this unit for yourself. It's very nice. And as I showed you, versatile. You could have two styles with one wig. It's very nice. Do a twist out or just put the conditioner and activate the curls. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to leave the link below so you can go down and click on that link and go over and see this unit and other units that they have to offer. Yeah, and get something nice for yourself. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my twist out on this unit today. And I will see you on the next one.